Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to take your productivity to the next level? Say hello to the HP newest 15.6-inch anti-glare HD laptop. Your ultimate companion for work and play. Let's dive into what makes this laptop a game-changer. First up, let's talk performance. This laptop is powered by an Intel quad-core processor, ensuring seamless multitasking and lightning-fast responsiveness. Whether you're crunching numbers, editing videos, or browsing the web, this laptop can handle it all with ease. But what about storage? With 128GB SSD and an additional 128GB JVQ USB storage, you'll never have to worry about running out of space again. Store all your important files, photos, and videos without compromising on speed or performance. Now, let's talk about battery life. Say goodbye to constantly searching for power outlets, as this laptop offers up to 11 hours of battery life on a single charge. Whether you're working on the go or binge-watching your favorite shows, you can count on the HP newest laptop to keep up with your busy lifestyle. And let's not forget about style. The HP newest laptop features a stunning Scarlet Red design that's sure to turn heads wherever you go. Add a pop of color to your workspace and showcase your unique sense of style with this eye-catching laptop. But wait, there's more. When you purchase the HP newest laptop, you'll also receive Office 365 for a year, giving you access to essential productivity tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Stay organized, collaborate seamlessly, and unleash your creativity with Office 365. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade to the HP newest 15.6-inch anti-glare HD laptop today and unlock your full potential. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative enthusiast, this laptop has everything you need to succeed. Click the link in the description to get yours now.